Leadership systems to corporate communications.
Because no matter how small others may think a story is, it always involves real people. Editors, reporters, producers, they were actually the sentinels of the gate of public.
Podcast, TikTok, Facebook of course.
People as we can, as many customers. So, we partner of course with...
Nagbibilang pa ako, wait lang. Ayan.